In this video, we'll see how to access and manipulate the various HTML elements. HTML DOM provides us with some methods that we can use to access and manipulate the HTML elements. Some of the commonly used HTML DOM methods are get element by ID, get elements by class name, get elements by tag name, append child, and remove child. In this video, we'll see get element by ID method. So get element by ID method is basically a method that is used to get a particular element by its ID name. Suppose if we have a paragraph or some element named box. So how can we get that? So here in this example, we are taking a variable HTML box and we are using the document and its method. So that method is get element by ID and the ID name is box. So what this will basically return, it will return as that element whose ID is box. Now once we get this element, we can do various manipulations on it. We can change its color, we can change its border, we can change its margin, we can just delete that particular element from the web page, or we can add some children to it. Suppose if it is a list, we can add some more list elements to it. Suppose if it is a list, we can add list items to it, or we can remove some list items from it. Let me head over to my VS Code and I will show you how we can do this, and we can get some practice with this get element by ID method. So I'm in my VS Code and I have created a file named get element by ID. Now let me create a paragraph and I will put some random text in it. Now what I want to do, suppose there is a button also in the document. I will create a button. Suppose the text is click me. And when this button is clicked, the paragraph, its font size should change. It should be underlined and its color also should be changed. The normal color would be black, but when we click the button, the color should be, let's say, red. So for that, when the button is clicked, we will see one of the attributes of it. There is on click attribute. So what that basically does, that tells whenever we click this button, what should happen. So we will create a function, let's say change format or text format. This function, JavaScript function, will be called whenever the button is clicked. So, but the problem is that function is not defined anywhere. So I will head to my head and I will create a script there. It is a JavaScript, and in that I will define this function. So as you have seen the previous sections how we can write JavaScript functions. So that function, whichever we are calling from after clicking that button. So now what can we do? So we'll get that element first. So let's suppose that is the paragraph. And which element are we getting? For that we have to give some ID here. Let's suppose the ID of this paragraph is para. Now how can we get that? We can use the document dot get element by ID. And which ID are we getting? Which element are we getting? The ID of that element is para. So now this paragraph variable, it contains the element this paragraph. Now how can we manipulate that? So to manipulate it, we will use that element paragraph dot, and we want the style. We want to change the style and we will say color is equal to, let's say, red. We also want to change its font size. Let's suppose the font size style dot font size is equal to, let's suppose, 30 pixels. Let's suppose this is what we want to do. Let's also try to add some background color to this paragraph dot style dot background is equal to, let's say, blue. Let me save it and open this file in my browser. So I opened this file in my browser and as you can see there is some text, this is some random text, and there's a button. This is click me. Now when I click this button, what should basically happen is the background color should be blue and the color of this text should be red. Let me click this button. So as you can see, the text color is now red and the background color of this text is blue. So this is how we can use DOM basically to manipulate the HTML elements once the page has been loaded. Let's get some more practice with this. Let me head over to my VS Code. Now let's suppose we also want a border to be added to this. So we simply write paragraph dot style dot border and we will add some border. let's suppose 1 pixel solid, and the border should be black. Let me save it, and I will go to my browser again, and if I refresh, nothing will happen. Now when I click this button, you can see a border of color black has been added, and the text color is now red and the background color is blue. So that is how you can access and manipulate the web elements or the HTML elements once the page has been loaded in the browser. This is all because of the DOM. That's it for this video. Thank you guys.